Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to MachineStation. I'm Joe Chavez. Today we have a Haas VF-4 for you. Today, a couple key features: Gear Head Spindle, thru spindle coolant, fourth axis ready, 20 station tool changer. We do have a short program for you. I'm going to go ahead and list all the specs and dimensions down below as usual. If there's anything I missed, please feel free to let me know. Why don't we go ahead and jump right into this one.
So today I have enough space to do kind of a full wraparound for you guys. Here's the control, the original books and manuals right here. Side profile of the machine. Machine is fourth axis ready. Brushless servos, rigid tapping, programmable coolant, thru spindle coolant. Got the chip conveyor down below with the chip auger right here. I'll go ahead and let the machine run.
There you have it guys, that's the Haas VF-4. If you want to know any more information about this machine, more videos, pictures, feel free to let me know. Give me a call. For a quote, please call 909-919-9600. For more information, please visit the website www.machinestation.us. Guys, as usual, you like the video, you enjoyed the machine, feel free to drop a comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching guys.